Okay, I'm here in the members area at Puma Products. So I just wanted to show you a quick look around, but I also wanted to show you some stats which I think give weight to what I say in the sales video about why it's important to have your own products. But anyway, this is the members area of Puma Products. As you will see, you've got an overview here, then you've got your main training section. There'll be various resources involved in the product creation process that are in here. We've got a concluding video here that wraps everything up. Your bonuses will be delivered here, details of upgrades here, and there'll also be some unadvertised bonuses here. So a pretty straightforward membership area which you should work through all of the training videos in sequence because they're done that way for a reason. But what I wanted to show you in particular here was this. All right, so if we head over to my Warrior Plus account, as you can see, this is live and I am earning around 20,000 a month right now. But let me show you this. All right, so let's have a look at affiliate contests. All right, so at the moment, let's just take a typical affiliate contest that's running right now. So where are we? Affiliate robot I just saw a minute ago. Bear with me, folks, while I just find this. One that's just started. I just want to, yeah, okay. This is a contest from Billy Dar. All right, okay. Now, you can see I'm doing okay in this contest. I'm in 12th position on the leaderboard, which is pretty decent, yeah. But I just want to show you down here, all right, okay. This is only launched yesterday. There are 73 people in this affiliate contest, yeah, and that doesn't even include people that haven't yet made sales, that are trying to sell this product but yet haven't got any sales, so they're not yet appearing on this board. So all of these 73 people, right from Rick Nguyen at the bottom there, right through to some, you know, big affiliates here like Robin Palmer that are in the middle, yeah, right through to the very top. All right, Billy himself technically isn't in the contest because it is his product, but right through to Glyn Koski in second place and Jason Fulton, yeah. I am competing in this contest with all of these people. All of these people are trying to do exactly the same as I'm doing, which is trying to sell this affiliate robot product. Now, obviously, I'm doing okay, yeah, and I'm earning money from it, but I am competing against all of these people. Now, let's just have a look at my own product. So my most recent product before this one, before Puma Products, at the time of doing this, it is actually still live, and that is Internet Marketing Alphabet. Look, there I am, Dawud Islam. So let's click on this, yeah? And what do we see here? Instead of me competing against all of those people, look at this. 75 people on here. What happens any time any one of these people get a sale, yeah? I get the money, don't I? Because it's my product, yeah? So all of these people, instead of me competing against all those 70 odd people, plus people that are trying to sell the product and haven't yet got sales, all of these people are competing with each other on my behalf, yeah? They're all trying to sell the product so that I make the benefit of it, that I make the sale, I get the sale from it. So I hope you can see the absolutely massive difference. What would you prefer? Would you like to be that one person on that board that's competing against all those 75? Or would you like to be the recipient of all these 75 people sending traffic and sales to you? It really is a no-brainer, isn't it, when you think of it that way? So I hope, you know, with this little crude demonstration that I've showed you why you want to be creating your own products. Come on board inside the members area of Puma Products and we'll get started right away on showing you how you can have everyone working on your behalf instead of you competing against everyone else. That, in a nutshell, is what Puma Products is all about. Speak to you soon.